The main advantage that it is completely environmental friendly, so electrical driving, and we don't utilize land. We want to ink first commercial contract before the end of this year, so 2023-2024 we will be in the cities.